Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward guide on how to transfer Matic from Uphold to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets securely, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. It's quick, easy, and we'll cover everything you need to know to avoid common pitfalls. First off, why do this? Matic, the native token of the Polygon network, is great for fast and cheap transactions, and moving it to Trust Wallet gives you more control and flexibility. Before we dive in, make sure you have the Uphold app installed and logged in, along with Trust Wallet set up on your device. You'll also need some Matic in your Uphold wallet and a basic understanding of crypto wallets to follow along smoothly. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the Uphold app on your phone or computer and navigate to your dashboard. Find your Matic balance and select the option to withdraw or send funds. This is usually under a Withdraw or Send button. Look for it. Step 2. Once you're in the withdrawal section, you'll need to choose the network. For Matic, select the Polygon network to ensure compatibility with Trust Wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave room for network fees. Step 3. Now, switch to your Trust Wallet app. Go to your Matic wallet. It's probably under the Polygon section, and copy the receiving address. This is crucial, so double-check that you're copying the right one to prevent any errors. Step 4. Back in Uphold, paste the Trust Wallet address into the destination field. Review all the details, like the amount and fees, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so take a second to make sure everything looks good. Step 5. Sit tight while the transfer processes. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network traffic in 2025, but you can track it using the transaction ID. Once it's complete, open Trust Wallet and check your Matic balance to confirm it arrived. A quick tip: always use the correct network to avoid lost funds, and keep your wallets updated for security. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.